Okay, in this question, if we look at it, it says solve the inequality 3t plus 1 is less than t plus 12. Part B says t is a whole number. Write down the largest value of t that satisfies 3t plus 1 is less than t plus 12. So part A and part B are linked. What I'm going to do to solve part A is I'm going to balance that equation, bring all the t's to one side and work it out. But I need to make sure that I recognize that it's an inequality and keep that less than sign going as I go. So as I said, I'm going to bring all the letters onto one side, the left hand side, all the numbers onto the other, and I'm going to maintain that inequality as I work along. Okay, so the first thing to do is to look at it. I have 3t on the left hand side, and that's going to stay put. I have positive 12 on the right hand side, and I want to keep all the numbers there, so that positive 12 is going to stay put. Think about what you need to move then. So that t on the right hand side, when I move it over to all the numbers on the left, it's going to become minus t, and that positive 1, right, I don't need that there, that's a number, and I only want letters on the left hand side, so move the minus 1 across, that positive 1 across, and it's going to become minus 1. Okay, just do a check over at this stage. Always don't rush through, check this through and make sure you've done the right thing. 3t take away t is 2t. Positive 12 take away 1 is 11. And now I need to divide by 2 to work out just what t is. Don't be phased if you're going to get a decimal answer. All right, at this level you will get decimal answers in some of your answers. 11 divided by 2, that should be no problem for you at all. It's 5.5, and this is my answer. The whole thing, t is less than 5.5. It's not just the number 5.5, it's t is less than 5.5. This is exactly what you need to do. You need to present your answer in this way, in this clear way, showing full workings. Okay, going on to part B. They said t is a whole number. Write down the largest value of t that satisfies this equation. Satisfying this equation means, right, okay, we know that t is less than 5.5. Okay, so for t is less than 5.5, it works for this equation. So what could t be? Well, as I said, we know t is less than 5.5. And what does that mean? From all the information that we've been given, we've been told that t is a whole number, and we've worked out that it's less than 5.5. So what's the largest whole number that's less than 5.5? It's got to be 5. Okay, and that's your answer to this. So it's a bit of thinking, using the information they've given you. Reread the question a couple of times, and it should be no problem at all, and you should be able to get all the marks here.